Roshni, I will suggest you that please give some feedback to the students so that they can have a better idea, better thing, better knowledge of what we are giving, what kind of quality education we are giving. But don't reveal the secrets which you are teaching in the crash course.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm very grateful that I joined your course, because before joining your course, I was very underconfident, and right now I'm feeling very confident that after joining your course, I can say that I can easily crack the interview. And before joining your course, I was thinking that this is not my cup of tea, but now I can say that this is not a rocket science, and I am eagerly waiting for the day to share my success story with you all. Thank
Good,
you.
Roshni, good. They're simple. Yeah, it's not a rocket science. It's just fitting in the parameters, fitting in the criteria. That's it. If you are fitting, no issues. Right, Roshnika, see you soon. Hope that you crack the next airlines interview. Right, interview conduct हो रहे हैं हैदराबाद base में, and a lot of bases में interview conduct हो रहे हैं different airlines. You have your soon we'll be sending your resume. तुम्हारा CV pending है. We'll be sending you your CV. And that's it. Do apply. जहाँ पे मन कर रहा है वहाँ पे apply करो. Do explore and get a job within 1 or 2 months. As simple as that. उतने में तो आराम से निकल जाएगा. क्योंकि जितनी सारी vacancies आई है guys, I think that you can easily crack the airlines interview. Right? Okay, Roshni, pleasure talking to you, and all the best for your future, Roshni.